Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about foreshadowing, an important element in storytelling. What is the best way to start a story? Foreshadowing? Foreshadowing is when you give the audience hints about what's going to happen later on in the story. And it's one of the most important parts of storytelling because if done correctly, it makes the audience feel like they're part of the story. They're more engaged and invested in the characters and the plot. For example, let's say you're writing a mystery novel. You could start the story by introducing your main character, Detective Harding, as he's driving home from a night shift. You could foreshadow that something bad is going to happen by having him drive through a dark, empty street. You could have a close call with a hit-and-run driver who speeds past him. And then, you could end the scene with Harding finding a dead body in his backyard. All of these are examples of foreshadowing. By dropping hints throughout the story that something bad is going to happen, you're setting the stage for the mystery to come. The audience will be on the edge of their seats wondering who killed the victim and why. A great story that has amazing foreshadowing will get your readers on the edge of their seats. So don't forget to keep foreshadowing as part of your storytelling. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.